some of them.
Are you all right?
Yeah. Yes, I'm fine.
Did I ever tell you I used to think the sea was called the sea because it was nothing but water as far as the eye could see?
I don't think so.
Sea. They're spelt different, but they sound the same.
They do.
It was before I learned how to read, obviously. Sam, are you going to be sick? Won't be long. We'll be in the south soon. I'm excited to see Old Town. The captain says it's the most beautiful city in Westeros. Are you going to vomit again?
No. The Citadel doesn't admit women. There won't be a place for you there. Half a little, Sam.
I stayed at Castle Black. There's no women allowed there.
The Citadel isn't Castle Black. I don't have a Jon Snow or Maester Aemon to help me bend the rules.
I'll stay in Old Town then.
By yourself? With a baby and no money?
So, if we're not going to Old Town, where are you taking me?
To my home. Hornhill. My father's... Well, my father, but my mother's a kind woman and my sister's lovely. They'll take care of you both.
Wherever you go, I go too. That's what you said.
I said that because I want you and little Sam to be safe. That's all I want. To become a maester so I can help Jon when the time comes. So you'll be safe.
Us and everyone else in the world.
I don't care about them. Well, I do. But I don't really. I care about you and him.
I know that, Sam. And he does too. You're the only one who ever has. If you think it's for the best, we trust you.
I'd feel better if you threw something at me and stormed off.
I'd never do that to the father of my son.